Hi traders, just going to give you an update on where the account's at the moment. Just had to wait till we stopped out of our previous absolute hedge trade before I could give you an update. So let's have a look. As you know, the traders that have decided to stay with the absolute hedge were short from 11.54 with expiry on Friday. Some traders chose to hold positions until expiry. Some chose to close out at the open on the Friday of the expiry of the 21st of May, 24th I think. Now, I should check that date. Actually, I think it was the 21st. It was last Friday. Yeah, 21st. So, depending on what you did, you are now look even now, depending on how quick the broker was to get your fill. We had a stop here on the yellow cross, the yellow line there, 1188.87, which that rounds up to 1189 by the auto standards. So the high there is 1189.50. So you're probably out of that trade for a total collect of 1189. So 1154 you got in at. Take 1089. 1154. Take 1089. 1154. Take 1089. 65 points. So you've taken per $100,000 lot. You've taken $16,000 on that trade plus your expired option. So depending on what you did, you are now short again anyway. You're well and truly up for that expiry period of 10 to 12% on that one spread. Even if you did close out at the open, you're still 10% up for 2010, which is pretty good. So at the moment, you are short again on the absolute hedge. So that's for the people that are still trading that. You are short from short from 1181.25, and your current stop is around about there. So not much has changed there. So let's have a look at the profit taker. Now we have come from a couple of good trades. Remember that this isn't an absolute hedge. The idea is to take profit as the market moves in your way and collect enough profit throughout the period in case you get a loser. Well, you've got enough futures profit to cover the loss. So that's the goal of the profit taker. Now the rules are pretty simple, which I can go through. I have the rules and the spreadsheet here for people that want it. Just email admin@keyequityhedge.com and I can give that to you. At the moment we are naked. We don't have any positions. We've gone to target 1, we took 2 contracts off. Target 2, took 2 contracts off. Looking for take the last one off at target 3. However, our stop was at target 1 once we hit target 2, so that probably doesn't make much sense until you read the rules. And we took a pretty nice profit there. So we're currently at 10.2% for the year 2010 so far. And to give you an idea of the futures, since we've changed over to the profit taker, now don't forget that the absolute hedge also took 16,000 on that last run down. So both future indicators are going pretty well. Both accounts are up 10 to 20% depending on where you took your profit last time on the expiry period. I'm not due to expire on this account until the 17th of June, and I'll show you where my put position is, which is under pretty heavy pressure at the moment. So the futures indicator since we started the profit taker is $10,000 up per $100,000. So we've taken 7,000 in options premium, and we've taken, since the futures indicators changed, I've changed over to the profit taker to show you how that works as well. We've taken 10,000. So we have our position on the puts under a bit of pressure at the moment, due to expire on the 17th of June. Now we are at 10.50 as our puts. So we're looking to get a bit of a rally here and get away from that heat. So we'll monitor this as you go and give an update as we progressing towards the 17th of June. As I've got something to talk about now. It's been pretty stagnant with the expiry on Friday for some people who are looking for another spread to set up. So that's it for the update. We're at 10.2% and we're going okay. So thanks for listening.